In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google and Great Notion support services. Getting started with Notion is straightforward, especially if you have a strong guide leading you through the process. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Notion. This will direct you to its official website, which is your portal to a powerful tool for organizing information. Once you've found the Notion website in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Notion's homepage, where you'll find options to learn more about their features and tools. Next, you need to log in. If you already have an account, simply click on the Login button, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. Once logged in, you'll see your workspace. Now, let's create a new page. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see an option to add a new page. Clicking on this brings you to a blank canvas where you can define what this page will look like and what information it will store. Now that you're on a new page, it's time to choose how you want to set it up. Select Empty Database to start with a fresh and customizable database where you can input all your data. Once you've selected this, give your new database a name. A good name makes it easy to remember and find, especially if you're planning to create multiple databases. After naming, it's time to populate it. Begin by typing your data directly into the database fields. Adding properties allows you to structure your database better. To do this, click on Add Property, then choose WUXT as one of the property types. This is useful for capturing more detailed information within each entry. As you continue to enter data, consider its organization and whether you might need additional properties like dates or numbers. Let's say you want to link this database to another page for easier access. Create another new page where you want to see this data linked. On this second page, type /database to bring up options and choose Database Inline. This feature allows you to insert a database view within your page. Now, search for the name of the database you've just created. Let's assume it's called Habits for this example. Select it, and you'll see the data reflected on this new page as well. Remember, any additions or modifications you make here will automatically sync back to the original database. This interconnectedness is one of Notion's powerful features, FARs, allowing real-time collaboration and data integration across different pages. And there you have it. You've successfully created a linked database, optimizing your workspace and maximizing Notion's potential. Don't forget to explore the other features Notion offers to enhance your productivity and organization even further. Enjoy your newly organized digital environment.